Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got a nice watch face for you guys to check out in the Gear Manager store. This one is a paid watch face. Yes, I know. I'm used to giving you free watch faces. I know you're used to that already, but this one is a paid one. I thought it was a good look for a digital watch face, so I thought I would download it. Now, I paid 79 cents for it in the Gear Manager store, but I need for you to tell me, should I have left this watch face right where it was at, especially considering the price that I paid for this watch face and for what it offers? Now, the name of the watch face is called Arcade Digital Watch Orange. It's a nice look. I do like the layout and the design of this watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to see this in a dark theme mode, which isn't a bad look at all. But once the watch face is on, again, the design, the layout of all the information. I like the big bold digital time. You're going to get the day of the week, your date. You're also going to get your step status info as well, calories burned, steps, and it is not interactive. Now, you got your battery percentage right here. I wish that you could customize the color theme of the watch face and or to be able to tap into your step info for 79 cents. Now, you have a lot of free watch faces that offers this, but this is a paid version, right? Now, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this one was worth the buy. All right, you all, that's gonna be it. It's hump day. Enjoy, have fun, grind hard, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this one. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.